Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and this will be a very quick and very short video. So in this tutorial I'm going to just show you a single command which can be used to install Docker. So if you want to install Docker and if you are looking for how to install Docker, let's check this video. Okay, I have done other videos as well where we run multiple command and do the installation, but this will be the easiest way, easy Docker installation with a single curl command. So if you go to Docker documentation, this was the documentation for CentOS Ubuntu which we have followed. So there are some commands which has clearly defined how to install utilities, repos, how to add it, how to do all these things are given here. So but what we are going to do is we are going to use the script for it. So this is the getdocker.com. This is a script. If you see, there are a curl command to download the script, and then you can run the script using shell. So you can go through this complete script. Okay, so this is the same thing which it will do when you run the command separately from that documentation. So this is a script by Docker Hub itself, Docker itself. So you can go through it to check that. Okay. So let's go to the Docker machine. So before that, I have a request for you. So if you are new to my channel or if you have not subscribed to my channel, click on the subscribe button and also like the video, share and comment. So let's get into this machine. So this is a CentOS machine and I don't have any Docker install. So let's run the command to do the Docker installation. So as I said, it's the easiest way, and I'm going to have it run it only a single command. So if you see, I'm using the curl to download it, and I'm just going to call the shell after that. Rather than having two separate commands, I'm just going to run the shell directly on the script. So once you run that's it. It will do all the steps it has to do, and at the end you will have the Docker setup ready. So you can see it's doing all the steps by itself. So I'll pause a little bit, and then we will see once the installation is completed. And I also want to make sure that it's going to be Docker Community Edition itself. It's not some other Docker we are installing. So it's directly the Docker Community Edition, similar, what we used to do it using the other commands. But it's only the difference is it's a script by the Docker itself. We are just running the script rather than running the command separately. So you can see the installation is completed. What I've done is I just run one command, and the Docker setup is done. So let me clear out this screen. So now if you see, I have a Docker version installed. So that is pretty simple, right? So you don't have to do a lot of things. But if you want to set up a non-user account for Docker, you need to do that separately after this. And if you want to enable the Docker service, start the service, those things are separate after this process. So that's all I just wanted to show, like it's a pretty simple option now to install Docker. So just wanted to show you the script. I will link the script in the video description, so you can just copy and paste the script if you want to set up Docker. So that is all for this video. So I would request you to click on the subscribe button for more videos, and also like, share and give your feedback on this video. So thank you for watching.